English listening practice, the tale of Tim's discovery. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a little boy named Tim. Tim was a curious and adventurous boy. He loved to explore the forest near his home, always looking for new animals and plants. One day, while exploring, Tim found a small, shiny stone. It was unlike anything he had ever seen before. It was bright blue and sparkled in the sunlight. Tim was thrilled with his discovery and decided to take the stone home. He showed the stone to his mother, who was surprised by its beauty. She told Tim that it might be a precious gem. Excited, Tim decided to take the stone to the village jeweler the next day. The jeweler, an old man with a keen eye, examined the stone carefully. After a few moments, he looked up at Tim with a smile. "This is a sapphire," he said. "A very rare and valuable gem." Tim was overjoyed. He thanked the jeweler and ran home to tell his mother the good news. From that day forward, Tim continued his adventures in the forest, always hoping to find another treasure.